Python timer and math game Tkinter. I'm looking to add a timer for my simple math game. So far everything works just fine. The user gets questions when pressing the button and is given feedback on the answer. I want to add a timer for the user to see how much time it takes to answer the multiplication. This is the final part of my prototype to this math game. I want the timer to start when the user clicks Nuttal, which means new number in Swedish, and to stop when the user clicks Svar, which means answer in Swedish. Here is my code.
I think what you need is this. PS, fit this in your code. I just implemented the basic timer into Tkinter.
Well, if you're using a Tkinter, you'll use the function. The first parent is the millisecond. This will apply to Python 3.x, but 2.7 I can't be sure since I don't practice that format.
I can suggest additional solution with threading. I hold a small timer in one of my projects and it runs as a different thread and gets updated each second. Use a global variable storing current time when person presses start. Then when the user presses var in your function var, just fetch current time, subtract them from one another and you get time taken. Then reset the global var to 0 also and voila, you have the time taken.
if you want to see more, please consider subscribing.